Alright, what's good, y'all? It's AJ, back for another video. Today, I'm gonna be showing y'all the Concord 11's. So I got these shoes probably a week ago. Not even. I think I got these on Monday. And it's crazy because I tried to get them when they first came out on Friday, I think it was, or Saturday. And I couldn't get them because they were all sold out. And then I went into my Foot Locker and then they happened to just get 3 more sizes in. They had an 8, a 10, and 11. And the 8 and the 11 was gone and they just had the 10 left. So I just felt like I had to get them. If you were looking to buy them, I will flip them, alright? I'm gonna sell these for the right price if somebody wants them. Like I said, they're size 10. So just hit me up. And if you're my subscriber, I'll cut you a deal on these. I already got them up for sale right now. But like I said, if you're my subscriber, then I'll cut you a deal on these 11s. So getting into it, you start with the box. They went ahead and did the classic box. I think this is the classic box. When in the past they used to do the little pull-out box. So, I mean, I don't really care about shoe boxes like that, although I do keep them all. I don't really care what box my shoes come in, just as long as the shoes come in them. So, yeah. So, I mean, going around the shoe, I mean, it's the same exact Concord as it's always been. You got carbon fiber hits, icy sole, patent leather, you feel me? Just, everybody already knows it. I mean, basically, this is just an advertisement that I'm putting out. So if you want these, hit my line, hit my DM on Instagram, hit my message on YouTube. I don't care how you gotta hit me, but just let me know if you want these, and I'll cut you guys a deal on these. Cause I think they be going for around 300, 400, honestly. So just let me know, and I got you guys, man. But other than that pretty much wraps this video up, man. If you enjoyed looking at the shoes, go ahead and subscribe. I'm really trying to get to 1,000 subs, man, as soon as possible. I've been working at this for a long time, and I just want to get that 1,000 subs, hopefully by the end of the year. So help me out with that. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Remember to like this video, share it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.